Yes, oh, it's Thursday morning and it's a cold one. But we're not gonna let it stop us from changing the front brake pads on this 1998 Jeep Grand Cherokee. First of all, we gotta chock the wheels because it's sitting on an incline. So we gotta make sure we chock that wheel, which we did already. And when jacking up your car, make sure you have a jack stand for safety. Okay, so let's start it. What we're gonna do is gonna loosen those nuts first, those lug nuts. Then we're gonna lift the car up. Okay, let's get started. So now we already loosened the lug nuts, and now we're gonna jack the car up. So first of all, we have to look for a secure point under the car and jack the car up and secure it with the jack stand. Okay, let's go. Okay. Go up a little more. Okay. So that's right. Okay. So to loosen the caliper, we're gonna use it got two bolts in the back. We got one at the top and one at the bottom here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's here. Okay, and for that we're gonna use a 12mm ring end. Okay, so now we got the bolts off, and we can use a big screwdriver and just pry it out like this. Okay, we got it. Okay, it's worn down. Okay, so now we're gonna take this one off, and we're gonna push back the piston back inside with the G-clamp. Okay, so now my G-clamp is all set up, and we're gonna push the piston back inside. Okay, let's go ahead. So now, as you can see, the piston is all the way back in, and we're gonna take it off, back it off. Okay. All right. Pull this one. All right. Okay, so we're back on there now, and we're catching the nut. tighten it back on. Put the wheels back on, and same thing on the other side. So I don't need to show you the other side. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.